Hello everybody. Okay, so today I'm going to do a design that I did when I first started. It was called the braid, or like a faux braid. I think this one's the fishtail braid. I seriously get them so mixed up. But I'm going to use 4 sets. But you can use 3. So for mine, I'm going to use Swiss and Tell. It's a nice pretty white one. Key West is best. Beautiful bright pink. Poppy That. I love this one. And Cape Coral. It's a pretty sparkly one. And if you are new to ColorStreet, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. Or if you'd like to try, also reach out to me. I can send you a sample in the mail to try. My site is theonepolishedmama.com, and it's always buy 3 get 1 free. So yeah, take advantage of that. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Any questions, let me know. I'm like a mess because I was playing in the slip and slide with my kids today because it was hot. So anyways, I'm going to turn the camera around and get started. You will need scissors. And if I do decide to do the French tips, because I have some ideas in my head, you will need a penny to measure and cut that. So, all right, I'm going to turn it around. Okay, so you want to find the base nail strip that you need. So to find the size is you open up your package and you place it on your nail and look side to side and see if you like it. And if so, you want to pull that one off. You need 1 more for a color, and then you need 2 more colors. So I'm going to use Swiss and Tell and Poppy That, and I have Cape Coral set out as well. When you get your set, they come huge, as you've seen in other videos. Okay, so you want to take the purple layer off, the plastic covering, because it's impossible to work with, I swear. I promise you. All right, so take those off. And then you want to cut these ones. So cut them in sizes that are very close to each other. You can always make lines in the back and follow that if you're not good at cutting like me, which maybe I probably should have did that, but it's okay. All right, and I have garbage stuck to my hand. Okay, so because I already did my other nail for my other hand, so I have everything out, and I almost wasn't going to record because I've done one before, but I figured mine as well because I need to upload videos to keep it going. And who knows, maybe somebody doesn't want to scroll all the way down my page to find the other one. So all right, you want to start off with the 2 colors that are not your base. So you want to grab one off and then you peel it. This is the worst part that I hate, and it takes forever. But there you go. Eventually you get it. And then I'm going to put something on the bottom of this so it doesn't get stuck too bad. You want to start off with an X. So there's 1. And then you get your second color. And look at that. That one was already off. It's trying to help me. And then I drop it, of course. Okay. I need to get my tweezers out. I say that all the time. Okay. So here's this one. So I'm looking at it straight. And then you want to place that down like that. Okay. And actually, I don't like how that looks because it looks like I sat it down crooked. So I'm just going to lift it up and do it again because I want it to look nice. All right, so then you go back to your base color and grab that one and peel off the backing. Can you imagine if you leave the plastic on this, like how long it would possibly take you? It's insane. Okay, and it's taking me forever. And then, so as soon as you get these layers on, now you want to start lining them up like flush with them. So you did the white first, so now you want to lay the pink right on that same line. Then you get your white and you just continue this pattern until it is as long as your nail or as long as you need it. So now I got the white, and then I'm going to go to the other side, flush with this one, flush with Poppy That. So I'm just laying that down like that, and now it's Poppy That. Oh, so you get the hang of it, and you can mix and match colors. You can probably do more if you'd like. Oh, see, I almost messed up. Okay, and then you go this way and line it up with Key West is Best. Now you want to go back to your base color, which is Key West is Best. So you can kind of see the pattern now. And my nails aren't too long, but I'm going to do it kind of far up, just so you guys see the pattern and how it looks. So now I'm going to line this one up with Swiss and Tell, which is the white one, and then pink, and then you need Poppy That, or let's see, no, we just did Poppy That, so it's the white one. And then get this one. And then you line that up with Poppy That. Now I'm getting Poppy That, peeling that, and lining this one up with Key West is Best. Like that. And then I'm going to do another base. I think I'm going to go all the way up because I want to see what part looks good. So I'm lining that up, and then a white, and then Poppy That will be the last one. And then I'll show you guys how to cut it. And then we can apply it to our nail. And again, you can use Clear as Day if you want it to be like more flat, but I mean, it's pretty, I don't mind it. Obviously it's going to be a little thick because of the layers that you're putting on. So just up to you how you like things. All right. And then you can take this off of that. Put the garbage aside, and then you can turn it over and you just cut all the excess off like this with some scissors. Take that off. Okay, and then you are left with your braided nail. So now you can take this off of the backing. You can put it on your nail press down, of course, to the side, like this. Pull so it's nice and tight, and tuck down, like this. And I'm going to tuck it with my nail, like this. And be careful you don't rip in the wrong spot. All right. Just want to kind of fold it under. And there we go. We have the braid on there. So now I'm going to do the rest of the nails. Okay, so for the rest of my nails, I'm going to use Cape Coral. I'm going to peel this off. And like I was saying, you're going to need the penny, because you want to trace it. So you just draw the line like this, and then you cut along that line. You want to take that purple strip off first, because that plastic is horrible to work with. And then you grab it, peel it off the back. Let's see. And then you place it on your pinky, or whatever nail you are using it for. And you put it on, push it down like this. And if a little hangs over, all you do is kind of rub it and it comes right off. Like on this side. And I'm just going to leave that tucked under for now. So now you need your middle finger. Take this plastic off, turn it over, and trace as well for the pinky, or like you did with the pinky, and cut along the line. And of course, peel again. This is the worst part. That takes so long for me. And you place it on your middle finger. Like that. And I'm going to finish up these two nails and be right back. Alright, so that's all done. And now I'm going to take Key West's Best. I'm going to turn that over. And now I'm going to do a bunch of little lines on here. Kind of just eyeball it. I'm doing a couple in case I mess up on the sides. And the thumb I'm going to have to do sideways, so I'll show you that one too. So now I'm going to cut this and grab this one and cut along the other black line. And now you have this little strip, which is probably going to be such a pain in the butt to get off. But you just go slowly because you don't want to ruin it. And then once you get it off, I am going to line it on my nail. With this one. So I'm just pressing that down to get the excess off. And that one. And I think I'm going to do it with the white as well. So I'm going to take that plastic off and then get the penny and just trace it as well. And then I'm going to cut it and apply it the same way. So let me cut that real quick. So once you get that off, I'm just going to go right below it on this one. And then cut the excess off with my nail. And on this side, if it hangs over, you just do the same. And I'm going to continue to do that on these ones. And then the thumb, all I'm going to do, because it's wider than these ones, is I am just going to eyeball it, or just go like this, because it gives me my general shape of what I use. So there's that one. Then I'm just going to go up a little and trace that one, and then cut that one and use that on my thumb. Okay, and here is the final design. I don't know what to think. I had an idea in my head. I don't know. I hope you guys like it and learn something. If you try this design, let me know, and I will see you guys later in the next video. Bye!